Want to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio? In this guide, I'll show you the quickest way to add a website, YouTube channel, online store, or any other link directly from the Instagram app. Step 1. Opening the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add the link. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to visit your profile page. Step 2. On your profile, you'll see the Edit Profile button just below your profile picture and bio. Tap it to open your profile settings, where you can update your personal information, bio, and website links. Step 3. Inside the Edit Profile menu, tap Links. On some older versions of Instagram, this option may appear as Website instead. If you don't see it immediately, update Instagram to the latest version from your device's App Store. Step 4. Tap Add External Link. In the URL field, paste the complete website address, including https:// if needed. Then enter a short, descriptive title, such as My YouTube Channel, Official Website, Shop Here, or Portfolio. A clear title helps visitors understand where the link will take them. Step 5. After entering your information, tap Done or the check mark in the top right corner. Instagram will save your changes instantly, and the link will appear on your profile for anyone who visits. You can also repeat these steps to add multiple external links if your account supports the feature. This is a great way to share your latest content, business website, online store, blog, or other social media profiles without constantly changing your bio. That's it! Your Instagram bio link is now live. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other easy Instagram tutorials for more helpful tips.